Hello, ninth class. Now, these are long questions of the same chapter, that is the beggar. ठीक है, क्योंकि वो वीडियो बड़ी थी तो मैंने ये दूसरी अलग से बनाई है लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस की। वैसे लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस कुछ मैंने आपको दिए भी हैं इंपॉर्टेंट, तो वो मैंने इसमें नहीं लिए हैं करेक्टर स्केचेस, मैंने इसमें खाली मेन क्वेश्चंस लिए हैं जो मुझे अच्छे लगे। One day, Advocate Sergei described the first meeting between Sergei and Lashkov. How did Sergei take pity on Lashkov? One day, Advocate Sergei came across a beggar. He was dressed in a very poor clothes. He was crying and requested Sergei to have pity on him. He told Sergei that he had the offer of a position in Kaluga. Children, इसको correct करोगे, ये T की जगह L आएगा. But he did not have money to get there, so he wanted some money to pay for the fare. Sergei looked at the beggar closely. Suddenly, he remembered that he had seen him the previous day in Sadovia Street. Then he told him that he was a student. Then he told him that he was a student and had been expelled for not paying his fees. At first, the beggar denied the charge, but when Sergei rebuked him, he admitted that he earned his living by lying. He told Sergei that his name was Lashkov, that he was out of work. Sergei refused to give him alms, but he said that he would give him work of chopping wood. He brought Lashkov home. Lai called his maid servant Olga. Lie, it is not lie, children, it is he, as I told you. It is he. Just wait. Yes, it is this much only. I thought let it not remain, that is, it is he. Okay. Now you will just, where I was telling to you, yes, he called his maid Olga and told her to take him into the woodshed and get some wood chopped. Sergei could see from a room that Lashkov was weak unwilling to do the chopping work. वो करना भी नहीं चाहता था. However, after 1 hour, Olga came and told Sergei that the wood had been chopped. Sat did give. Now set means Sergei. ये mistakes हैं, मैं इसलिए आपको पढ़ के बता रही हूँ क्योंकि आप ठीक कर लोगे. Right? Sergei gave Lashkov half a ruble. Okay. Now here Sergei ब्रॉट लश्कॉफ. इसमें आपको जैसे समरी में दिया हुआ है 30 to 40 कॉपेक्स भी लिख सकते हो. ठीक है. नाउ सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज सरगई ब्रॉट लश्कॉफ होम टू गेट सम वुड चॉप्ड. फ्लो डिड ही हेल्प आफ्टर थॉट. हु. इट इज़ नॉट फ्लो चिल्ड्रन, इट इज़ हु. WHO who. Printing mistakes are so much over here, but I am just correcting, then you supposed to correct it. It can be also that is afterthought, that is after that one, it means who helped him. You can correct it in that way also when you are writing. Instead of writing whatever is written, the question will be Sergei brought Lashkov home to get some wood chopped. Who helped him there? Okay. Now after getting the wood chopped, Sergei was happy that he had helped a man. He had reformed a beggar. He told Lashkov that he could come on the first of every month and chop wood for money. Lashkov came on the first of every month, although he was so weak that he could hardly stand on his legs. Yet there was always work for him, and he did it. Sometimes it was chopping of wood. At other times he had to shovel snow or to put the woodshed in order. Sometimes he was asked to beat the dust out of mattresses and rugs. Every time he received from 20 to 40 kopecks. One day Sergei moved to another house. He hired Lashkov to help in the packing and hauling of furniture. Hauling माने जैसे ले जाना, करना, एक जगह से मूव करना दूसरी जगह पर. This time he was silent and sober. At these the that is the at these the pork was not done है. इसमें ये मत लिखो, इसको सेंटेंस को मत लिखना, यहाँ से लिखना. Sergei offered to find better work for him when even shifting was done. इसको ऐसे ले सकते हो, that is एट दीज इसको काट देना, आफ्टर द शिफ्टिंग वॉज डन, इसको इस तरह से लिख सकते हो. तो सरगई ऑफर्ड टू फाइंड अ बेटर वर्क फॉर हिम. He wrote a letter to one of his friends. He gave this letter to Lashkov and told him that he would find the job of copying the, that is of the written matter. In this way, Sergei helped Lashkov. Okay, you can just write down here helped Lashkov. He was pleased with having put a man on the right path. Question number 3. Describe Describe the last meeting between Sergei and Lashkov. Children, spelling mistakes you must see. Here the mistake is instead of H they have written LI. How did Olga help Lashkov to be a real man? Answer. One day after 2 years, Sergei came across Lashkov standing at the ticket window of a theater paying for a seat. He was wearing a coat collar of curly fur and sealskin cap. Sergei recognized him. Lashkov told him that now he was a notary and was paid 35 rubles a month. Sergei was pleased to hear this. He congratulated Lashkov for standing on his own feet in life. At this, Lashkov disclosed something to him. He said that it was not because of him, but his maid servant Olga that had reformed him. It is not himself, reformed him. Or because of Olga, we can just say he had reformed himself. फिर ये ठीक है आपका. When he used to come to his house to chop wood, he could not do so because he was weak and inexperienced. Then Olga would take pity on him and chop the wood for him. He told Sergei that he never chopped a single stick. It was all done by Olga. Her kindness transformed him. He stopped drinking and started earning his living by hard work. In this way, Olga's kindness had changed his life. Question number 4. During their conversation, Lashkov reveals that Sergei's cook Olga is responsible for the positive change in him. How has Olga saved Lashkov? What values did Olga exhibit while saving the life of Lashkov? Exhibit माने दिखाती हैं, show करती हैं. Now here answer. Olga, Sergei's seemingly ill-tempered cook, had been the main motivating factor behind Lashkov's positive change. She saved him by rousing the positivity in him that had got suppressed due to his alcoholism. She scolded him, cursed him, but also shed tears for him and suffered misery for his sake. Outwardly, she expressed disgust for Lashkov, but went out of her way to help him reform himself. She risked the displeasure of her master, Sergei, by hiding the truth about the odd jobs assigned to Lashkov. She gave true human affection to him and showed both pity and concern. Her affection is exhibited. Children. You will just see 1, 2, 3, 4. After the 4 line, I'm reading that one, though that is a repetition had become over here. Her affection is exhibited. Like this only, you should also just see from where to take the right thing by the fact that the chops wood for him so that he can earn some money to feed himself and stay alive. It is Olga's sincere and selfless efforts that finally give Lashkov a lease of life. Lashkov too remembers her with gratitude for her kind words and her noble deeds. Question number 5. Children, these are the 5 questions I have selected. I'm giving to you. This is the 5th one. Sergei's sympathy was as important as Olga's noble deeds that reformed Lashkov. Discuss. Yes, it is true. If Sergei had not, अगर Sergei ने उसको sympathy नहीं दिखाई होती तो ओल्गा ने उसकी हेल्प कहाँ से की होती. तो देखा जाए तो दोनों का ही हाथ है. क्रेडिट एक को नहीं, दोनों को मिलना चाहिए. Lashkov gave the credit of his reformation to Olga, but it is true that Sergei's sympathy towards him was also important. If Sergei had not taken the initiative to assign work to Lashkov, and had instead handed him over to the police, the beggar's life would have ended in a disaster. अगर वो पुलिस को दे देता तो उसकी तो ज़िंदगी ख़त्म हो जाती. Sergei, like Olga, went out of his way to uplift the ragged beggar by making him do odd jobs. ओल्गा ने उसकी बहुत हेल्प की, उसके सारे काम किए छोटे मोटे, and paying him in return. Sergei was not obliged in any way to spend money on the beggar in this manner. और सरगई ने उसको कोई पैसा नहीं दिया. अगर वो पैसा दे देता तो वो काम करता रहता, वो झूठ बोलने का और बैगिंग करने का. But it was his concern for Lashkov that made sincere efforts to reform him. Sergei also arranged a cleaner employment of a copier to Lashkov by sending him to his friend with a letter of recommendation. हाँ, उसने उसको अपने फ्रेंड के पास भी भेजा नोटरी का काम करने के लिए. तो देखा जाए तो सरगई ने उसकी बहुत हेल्प की. ओके, उसने अगर वो रिकमेंड नहीं करता तो वो क्या करता, ऐसे ही काम करता रहता छोटे मोटे क्लीनिंग के. अगेन इट वॉज सरगई हु ब्रॉट लश्कॉफ टू ओल्गा. इफ़ दिस हैड नॉट बीन डन, हाँ जैसे मैंने आपको कहा, अगर वो नहीं लाया होता, इफ़ दिस हैड नॉट बीन डन, ओल्गा वुड नॉट हैव बीन एबल टू हेल्प हिम, तो उसकी हेल्प नहीं कर पाती. हैंस द कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ सरगई इन द रिफॉर्मेशन ऑफ लश्कॉफ वॉज एज इम्पॉर्टेंट एट दैट ऑफ ओल्गा. तो ये आपके लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस हो गए. मैं यहाँ पर ही 5 क्वेश्चंस हैं ये आपके. ठीक है, आप ये देखो सारे के सारे बहुत अच्छे क्वेश्चंस हैं, सारे के सारे बहुत अच्छे क्वेश्चंस हैं. ठीक है, ये आपके लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस हैं जो यहाँ से शुरू होते हैं. ठीक है, ठीक है. तो ये आपको मैं अभी फिर लास्ट में लेके जाती हूँ ताकि आपको, ठीक है, दैट इज. तो मैं यहाँ पर बंद कर रही हूँ, आप ये सब क्वेश्चंस लिख लेना.